I am at 2449, 2451 West 11th Street. It is a two-family in front and a single family in back. And we are in the Tremont neighborhood. And this sits right on Lincoln Park. So you get this big, beautiful urban park surrounded by churches. It's a playground, lots of green space. It's right across the street. Coffee shop, restaurants, all kinds of things. This is a bustling neighborhood. So you've got a shared drive with an easement. It is a mix of brick and cobblestone. The exteriors of these homes have been redone. New roofing, a lot of new joists, as we'll see in the attic. The new porch flooring, it's all oak. You can see in the ceiling, new beadboard, half-round gutters. New wood windows. And that's the house in back we'll be going to see, but let's check this one out in front first. So every unit of the 3 units is going to be totally different as far as what shape it's in. So we are in the kitchen of the downstairs. So this needs work. Lots of materials here. Most of the materials, not the tools, will stay. So wood, things like that, they will stay in the house for the next person to complete this rehab. So back here, got the bathroom. This is a bedroom. Dining room. So again, came in here from the back. That's the kitchen. We're in the dining room. Got a bedroom off of here. We're gonna walk up into the living room. Now these rooms could be swapped around. So you've got a front door there to come into this unit. There's another bedroom back here. And then we've got another room up front here. So, you know, this could technically be another bedroom too, because you've got these 2 other rooms. Okay, now we're gonna head upstairs. The upstairs is much closer as far as being done. So this opening here would be walled off. If you're gonna keep this as a 2-family, this will be walled off, and this door that we're looking at right now will be the door to the upstairs unit. As you can see, steps have all been redone. They're oak steps. And we are walking up into the living room. So the woodwork in here, much of it is chestnut. So this is chestnut, this is original. And then there's other places where right here, the woodwork was not in good shape, so they replaced it with white oak. So the idea was this is a restoration to keep it as true to what it was as possible. This would be a bedroom. So now this is the front room. Nice big room. And looking straight out at Lincoln Park. Wonderful, wonderful view. Another bedroom right here. So we're in the living room, going to the dining room. There's a bunch of little rooms in here. We've got some exposed brick. This is a bathroom. It's got the wainscoting. This is floor, pine floor. And we're pretty much ready to go here once you get some fixtures. Again, we're in the dining room, living room. Way out there is the bedroom. Kitchen. So we've got cherry cabinets, wood counter, a big metal sink here. Again, wainscoting. We've got maple flooring in here. Some views of the neighborhood churches and such. Back door. Laundry. And pantry with all the original cabinets, which are really cool. This little door here leads us up to the attic. insulation. And so you can see the extensive repairs done to the roof. That's all new wood. They replaced the wood when they did a tear off of the roof. It was an old slate roof that had asphalt on top. So it was a mess, because when you put asphalt roofing over top of a slate roof, you got to put nails through slate, which is rock. It doesn't work out too well. So it all had to come off, and a new roof put on from scratch. Okay, so we're gonna head back down through the first floor and down to the basement. So that upstairs is really pretty close to being ready to be occupied if somebody wanted to live up there and work on the rest of the house, or if you want to get a tenant up there and work on the rest of the house. It's actually a pretty nice basement. Tremont's not known for its great basements, but this one's pretty cool. So we got some newer block here, new furnaces, tankless hot water tanks, the brick flooring, which I love, new electrical, and again you can see the brick floor, parts of the old cistern, but you know, nice looking basement. Okay, bear with me. We're gonna head out to the back house. This is a very deep lot, as you'll see. So we're heading out the back door of the front house. That's an old church turned into offices over there. So now we're heading to the back. Which you don't really see is this sidewalk here. If you ever notice along the old alleys in Cleveland, you'll see sandstone, like these sandstone sidewalks, and that's what this is. But there's the house. Again, redone porch. Got the half round gutters, beadboard on the ceiling. But I was just blown away when I saw when you have a house behind a house and you have a good sized yard behind that. It's very unusual. So, patio. But then it goes all the way back to that chain link fence back there. So, I mean, this is a really nice sized yard. It's kind of picturesque with the pine tree. There's not going to be much to see here. This house is gutted. While the exterior is pretty much ready to go, the interior needs everything. Okay, here we are. Ready for your next project. So this is it's a nice house though. It's got that big lamb beam, so the hole just opens up this hole downstairs. Kind of hard to imagine, but I could picture it. It could be really nice space. It's already opened up. Got some exposed brick. This would be the kitchen. And not sure what some of these rooms will be. We will not go down to the basement because there's no light and you will not be able to see much. But it's a half basement. It's in really nice shape. So up here, it's large. There's 3 real bedrooms. So I'm going into the one in the back here. Again, there was some really massive damage to the roof. So this is all rebuilt. But this is a really nice, this could be a great owner suite. You know, the vaulted ceilings and everything. Could be really dramatic. I've got 2 more bedrooms. Again, you know, everything's nice size. And the thing is like, we don't have the walls. There's no walls up yet. So once you put drywall up, the room will actually feel bigger. Seems counterintuitive, but that is how it works. This is envisioned here to be the bathroom. And then again, this is probably the smallest room, but there's a lot of storage in here and such, and this could be another great bedroom. That's it.